Our journey begins at one of the world's largest premium goat farms. Advanced technology ensures exceptional animal care and productivity. Healthy livestock is the foundation of premium craftsmanship. Careful breeding and expert care produce exceptional quality. This is where the journey of premium craftsmanship begins. The Boer goat is renowned for its strength and premium quality. Saanen goats are admired for their excellent health and productivity. The Anglo-Nubian breed is recognized by its distinctive appearance and versatility. Jamunapari goats are known for their elegant stature and impressive size.
The black Bengal goat is valued for its resilience and fine quality leather.
Premium goat leather transforms furniture into timeless luxury. Every sofa combines comfort, exceptional craftsmanship. Fine leather and skilled craftsmanship create lasting elegance. Luxury details elevate every interior space. Premium leather dining furniture blends beauty with everyday comfort. Italy is renowned for luxury leather furniture craftsmanship. Türkiye combines traditional craftsmanship with modern manufacturing. Pakistan is recognized for high-quality leather manufacturing. Morocco has a rich heritage of premium leather craftsmanship. Welcome to the Halal factory. Healthy premium goats arrive at the Halal factory. Every animal undergoes a thorough health inspection. Cleaning prepares every animal for the next stage. Premium leather is carefully selected for production. Every material is prepared for precision manufacturing. Precision cutting begins. The manufacturing journey. Artificial intelligence verifies every leather panel. Digital patterns prepare every perfect cut. Every leather panel is cut with exceptional precision. Strong frames form the foundation of luxury furniture. Every frame is assembled for lasting durability.
Premium cushions are crafted for lasting comfort.
Every cushion is fitted with precision. Every stitch reflects expert craftsmanship. Transforms every piece.
Perfect fitting delivers premium quality.
Every edge is refined to perfection.
Premium polishing reveals the natural beauty of the leather. Every product passes strict quality standards.
Every piece is packaged for safe delivery. Luxury furniture is ready for customers around the world. Luxury craftsmanship is ready to welcome customers. Customers experience comfort, elegance, and quality. Every piece brings timeless luxury into modern living. Luxury deserves a world-class presentation. Luxury furniture completes every beautiful home. A clean factory ensures premium quality every day. Routine maintenance keeps production running perfectly. Every detail is checked before the next production day. The factory is prepared for another day of excellence. Thank you for visiting the Halal Factory.